welcome back to the channel. Today we have a couple of installs that I had planned to do. There's a reflector which is on my bumper. It flew off, I don't know how, and so I decided to buy a new one and just change the color from the original yellow. I bought a black one. It's in this package right here. I'll show you a picture of what it was like before, like a picture of the car with the reflector on, and then it swapped out. I ordered the black one, if I didn't mention that before. And then I also got another package for my cabin filters. I want to change that out as well. They are located in the engine bay, so it's going to be a little install, and I'll tell you guys what I've done to the car so far. So this is my engine bay, guys. Pay no mind to how dirty it is. I don't know why it's this dirty, but anyways, this is what we're swapping out as well, the cabin filters. So let's get to it. So to get that out, I need to unbolt that, and the two bolts that were over here are also out, so it makes work a bit easy. Now apparently this is supposed to come out easily. I'm just gonna pull it out. So yeah guys, we finally get to see what is in the package. So it's these. Alright, let's go and install them. So I'm done with the first phase of the installs that I'm going to do today. This is the COWL delete. So basically that's a COWL delete with the new cabin filters in there. And my engine bay, sorry guys, it's so dirty. I know some of you are going to kill me in the comment section, but yeah, this is what it looks like after. I will move on to the next package, and this is it. So that's supposed to go in there. Actually, I think this goes on the other side, but anyways, you get the picture. Resulted to sitting on the floor. Yo, this car is too low. This car is too low. You can't stick 2 fingers under, and the space in here is way too tight, but we'll make it work. You have to. I don't think I can hold the phone and then install this. So yeah guys, for now I would say I'm done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. It's been fun.